necessarily any kind of ramp effect.
My name's Ian Phillips. I'm Service Project Manager in Planning. I've been involved with the scheme for probably something like 5 years or so. So before they appointed the architect, I can even remember coming round with the Macmillan team originally to choose which part of the site that the unit would be built on. And we agreed it would be better on this part of the site because it's a much quieter, much greener area. I think that the thing I'm most proud of with this is, one, we have achieved the aim, which is to bring the unit to the site so that the patients aren't on an isolated site. It is on the hospital site, but it's a standalone unit linked to the hospital. It hasn't been subsumed by the hospital. It's going to have its own identity, it's going to have its own feel, and if you walk around internally, the bit I'm most proud of, which Macmillan will be quite happy with as well, is it doesn't look and feel like a hospital. So for the patients and their relatives, it is quite a calming environment. So I think that's the bit, it doesn't just look like another hospital ward or another hospital clinic area.